Hi student, आज हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 डिस्कस करेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 क्या है बोला? शो दैट द रिलेशन R in the set 1 2 3 given by R is equal to 1 comma 2 2 comma 1. This relation is symmetric है but neither reflexive nor transitive. ऑलरेडी एक रिलेशन given है यहाँ पर 1 comma 2 2 comma 1. This relation is symmetric but not neither reflexive nor transitive. Solution: given set of elements A is equal to 1 2 3, relation R is 1 comma 2 2 comma 1. Check one by one. First one is reflexive relation. reflexive relation सेट के अंदर कितना भी एलिमेंट है वो एलिमेंट का सेम ऑर्डर पे रहना, नहीं तो डबलेट रहना। वन है, वन वन का डबलेट रहना, टू 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 का डबलेट रहना, थ्री 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 का डबलेट रहना। तभी हम एक रिलेशन को रिफ्लेक्सिव रिलेशन बोलते हैं। सेट के अंदर कितना भी एलिमेंट है वो एलिमेंट का डबलेट रिलेशन के अंदर रहना, तभी हम वो रिलेशन को रिफ्लेक्सिव रिलेशन बोलते हैं। बट यहाँ पर एक भी ऑर्डर पे नहीं, पूरा रहेगा 1 1 2 2 3 3 not belongs to R. Therefore R is not reflexive relation. Second, symmetric relation. सिमेट्रिक रिलेशन के अंदर कितना भी ऑर्डर पेयर रहता वो ऑर्डर पेयर का उल्टा भी रिलेशन के अंदर रहना। ऑर्डर पेयर क्या है? 1 2 है, ये 1 2 का उल्टा रिलेशन के अंदर है 2 1. therefore this relation is symmetric relation. 1 comma 2 belongs to R implies 2 comma 1 belongs to R. therefore R is symmetric relation. Third, transitive. ट्रांसिटिव रिलेशन का डेफिनेशन क्या है? A comma B belongs to R and B comma C belongs to R implies A comma C belongs to R है। यहाँ पर A comma B है, B comma C है, फिर A comma C क्या होगा? A comma B belongs to R, B comma C belongs to R. 1 comma 2 belongs to R है, 2 comma 1 belongs to R है। A comma C क्या होगा? A comma C is 1 comma 1 रिलेशन के अंदर है ना, बट यहाँ पर नहीं है। तो द रिलेशन R is not transitive relation. 1 comma 2 belongs to R and 2 comma 1 belongs to R, but 1 comma 1 not belongs to R. therefore R is not transitive relation. Student, seventh question. Show that the relation R in the set A of all books in a library. यहाँ पर set क्या गिवन है? Set A is all books in a library of a college. The relation R is x comma y such that x and y have same number of days. x and y are books. यहाँ पर x y क्या है? बुक्स है. सॉल्यूशन given set of elements. Set A is the are books in a library of a college. Then relation R is equal to x comma y such that x and y have the same number of pages. R is equal to x comma y such that x and y have same number of pages. ये रिलेशन क्या है? रिफ्लेक्सिव है, सिमेट्रिक है, क्या ट्रांसिटिव है. Is an equivalence relation. What is equivalence relation? When a relation satisfies reflexive, symmetric, transitive is called equivalence relation. See one by one. Reflexive relation. Reflexive relation A comma A. Elements related to itself is a reflexive relation. यहाँ पर क्या है? X comma Y, X and Y have the same number of pages. ये क्या होता? X comma X. Let X belongs to A is set of elements is books in a library. X comma X belongs to R implies X and X has same number of pages. Every element is related to itself. X and X have same number of pages. Therefore, R is reflexive relation. For those same books है, X दोनों सेम बुक्स है, वो दोनों बुक्स का पेजेस सेम ही रहता है. X and X has same number of pages. Therefore, R is reflexive relation. Second, symmetric. Relation. In symmetric relation, A comma B, there are two elements. Let X comma Y belongs to A. Symmetric is X comma Y belongs to R. इसका उल्टा भी प्रूफ करना. X comma Y, अगर X comma Y क्या है? X and Y का सेम नंबर ऑफ पेजेस. फिर यहाँ पर क्या होता है? X and Y have same number of pages. फिर इसका उल्टा क्या होता है? Implies Y and X have same number of pages. True होता है. X and Y have same number of pages. X और Y दो बुक्स है, तो दोनों उसका पेजेस सेम रहते हैं. Y and X इसका उल्टा भी implies Y comma X belongs to R. Therefore, R is symmetric relation. The third, transitive relation. In transitive relation, there are three elements A, B, and C. Let X, Y, and Z belongs to set A. Set A is set of all books in a library of college. A comma B belongs to R and B comma C belongs to R. यहाँ पर A is X, B is Y, C is Z. X comma Y belongs to R and Y comma Z belongs to R implies अगर रिलेशन के अंदर x y रहे तो क्या है x and y have same number of phases. ये क्या x and y x and y have same number of phases. And x and y have same number of phases and y comma z belongs to R. Y and z have same number of pages. X and Y have same number of pages. Y and Z have same number. ये दोनों बुक्स का पेज नंबर सेम है. And Y and Z यहाँ पर Y X के साथ सेम पेजेस है. Then Y Z के साथ सेम पेजेस है. Then X and Z same number of pages implies X and Z have same number of pages implies x comma z belongs to R. Therefore, R is transitive relation. Hence, R is an equivalence relation. Equivalence relation क्यों है? This relation satisfies reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. Eighth question. Show that the relation R in the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 given by R is equal to A comma B such that modulus A minus B is even. Modulus A minus B is even. This relation is an equivalence relation. यहाँ पर एक क्वेश्चन है. Next, second part is show that all the elements are 1, 3, 5 are related to each other. And all the elements of 2, 4 are related to each other, but no element of 1, 3, 5 is related to any element of 2, 4. Second part, first part, show that the relation R in the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 given by R is equal to A comma B such that modulus A minus B is even. Solution. Given A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relation R is equal to A comma B such that modulus A minus B is even. First, reflexive relation. Reflexive relation is A फॉर्म में रहा सेम ऑर्डर पे A comma B है मॉडुलस A minus B होगा. Reflexive relation A comma A फॉर्म में रहा 1 comma 1 2 comma 2 3 comma 3 4 comma 4 5 comma 5. Modulus its difference is even or not. Here A comma A belongs to R. A comma A belongs the reflexive relation A comma A belongs to R. The definition is modulus A minus B is equal implies modulus A minus A is equal to 0. 0 is even. Even. Therefore, R is reflexive relation. Second, symmetric relation. Symmetric relation A comma B belongs to R. इसका उल्टा B comma A belongs to R. A comma B belongs to R. A देखकर इसका उल्टा प्रूफ करना. Then अगर ऑर्डर्ड पे लो रिलेशन के अंदर A comma B है बोले तो मॉडुलस A minus B पर A comma B है रिलेशन के अंदर फिर ये क्या होगा मॉडुलस A minus B is even. इसका उल्टा प्रूफ करना implies modulus R minus A minus B is even. Then implies modulus multiplying minus B minus A is even. Modulus B minus A is even implies B comma A belongs to R. Therefore, R is symmetric relation. Third one is transitive relation. Transitive relation. Transitive relation क्या रहता? A comma B belongs to R and B comma C belongs to R. Implies modulus A minus B is an even and modulus B minus C is an even. A comma B belongs to R and B comma C belongs to R implies A comma C belongs to R. Right? Modulus A minus B is even. Modulus B minus रिलेशन के अंदर A comma B है बोले तो A comma B है ना A comma B definition is modulus A minus B. A comma B belongs to R modulus A minus B is even. अगर रिलेशन के अंदर B comma C रहे तो modulus B minus C modulus B minus C is even. When you adding these two modulus here implies modulus A minus B is even means 2 lambda and modulus B minus C is even means 2 mu where lambda and mu are constant where lambda and mu are constant. Then this modulus take to RHS then to get A minus B is equal to plus or minus 2 lambda and B minus C is equal to plus or minus 2 mu. Modulus का साइन कितना रहता plus or minus. Then you adding these two A minus B plus B minus C is equal to plus or minus 2 lambda plus or minus 2 mu. Here minus B plus B get cancelled. Then A minus C is equal to plus or minus 2 is common lambda plus mu, this plus or minus take to LHS, then you get modulus A minus C is equal to 2R lambda plus mu, implies when A comma B belongs to R है modulus A minus B, modulus A minus B है बोले तो इसका ordered pair is A comma C belongs to R, therefore R is transitive relation. Hence, R is an equivalence relation. Here the question, the second part, show that all the elements of 1, 3, 5 are related to each other. Related to each other. 1, 3, 5 related to each other. Modulus 1 minus 1, 0. 0 is 1. Satisfied? 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3. Even number? 1 minus 3. Related to each other. 2. 1 minus 5. 4. Even number? 3 minus 5. 2. Even number? Every element related to each other is even number. Even number याद है. The difference of odd natural number is even. 1, 3, 5. The difference of odd natural number is even. Therefore, 1, 3, 5 are related to each other. Then 2, 4. 2, 4. This one is also related to each other. 2, 4 are related to each other. The difference of even natural number is even. Modulus 2 minus 2 is equal to 2. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. The difference of even natural number is even. 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. 2, 4 are related to not. 1 minus 2 is not even odd or odd. 1 minus 4, 1 minus 4, 3 odd number. 3 minus 2, 1, 3 minus 4. The difference of these, the difference of odd natural number and even natural number is odd. Therefore, 1, 3, 5 and 2, 4 are not related to each other. Second part implies 1, 3, 5 are related to each other because the difference of odd natural number is even. 1, 3, 5 are related to each other. 1 minus 3, 2 even. 1 minus 5, 4. 3 minus 5, 2 even number. Each element related to each other. The difference of odd natural number is even implies 2, 4 are related to each other because the difference of even natural number is even. Modulus 2 minus 4, 2 even. 4 minus 2, 2 even. 2, 4 related to each other. But 1, 3, 5 and 2, comma 4 are not related to each other because the difference of odd and even natural number is odd. 1, 3, 5 are related to each other because the difference of odd natural number is even. Even are condition. Then 2, comma 4 are related to each other because the difference of even natural number is even. But 1, 3, 5 and 2, comma 4 are not related to each other. The difference of odd and the difference of even numbers is odd. Condition is even are. Therefore, 1, 3, 5 are not related to 2, comma 4.